Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Okay, today. Before we start class today, have you guys done the assignment I gave you yesterday?
But the assignment date is tomorrow, right? Wait, what? You gave yesterday, but
I gave you.
the due date is tomorrow.
No, let me check.
Alright.
No, it's today.
What? Today?
Take the Google Classroom.
Alright.
Demas still has done it. How come you guys haven't done it yet?
How come you can die so fast?
Yeah. Oh,
That's no life.
oh my God.
Have you experienced this in your daily life? This is a typical example of stress. Stress is generally defined as a reaction in emotion, physical, and mental as results of stress of change happen in daily life. A suitable amount of stress could be used as a tool to improve themselves. However, the excess amount of stress could be disastrous. Let's take a view on this.
Why do we have so much work to do? I have better things to do than this.
Calm down, Demas. It's just a few questions. If you calm down and done and focus on it, you can done quickly.
Speaking of stress, what do you think are the causes of stress?
I think just about anything could cause someone to stress out nowadays. An example would be constantly worrying about something like Demas just know.
Sometimes I think stress can emerge from the responsibilities of someone is overwhelming and you can't handle it. My mom had to raise 4 children, you know. And when my parents divorced a long time ago, she would have mental breakdowns constantly, but I mean everything's good now, so that's great.
I think that stress could also be caused by health problems. I've read from a magazine before that some illness, such as heart disease, are related to stress, and the risk is much higher when the patient has a high level of stress.
Yeah, it's right, and the excess amount of stress could result in various consequences, such as unstable emotion.
Seriously?
Yeah, it not only causes someone to have unstable emotion, it also causes someone to have insomnia.
Yeah, I also heard that from my friend. He got insomnia so long ago because of stress.
My gosh.
Oh, I guess I also heard someone say that it is much easier for someone to have a head there.
Wow. Is it really that bad to have excess stress?
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
true.
it's
Yeah,
true.
it too.
Yeah, true.
Not only that, if you have it for an extended duration, it is much easier for you to have serious negative mental effects such as anxiety.
And even more, depression.
Oh, I didn't think it was that bad to have excess stress.
Yeah, it's really bad.
But why is it happening?
If I'm not mistaken, it is somehow related to the hormone reaction inside the body.
Yeah, speaking about it, I heard someone say that prolonged stress also has a high tendency to cause someone to have asthma. But is that real?
Yeah, it's rumored that the stress could also cause someone to have stiff shoulder too.
Isn't there stress also resulting in violence?
Yeah, it's scattered everywhere in the news. Like this one, a technician just straight up stabs his boss because his boss don't approve his leave application.
Oh, that's not good.
Speaking about the news, I also heard that there was a woman who drove her car into an airport just because she was stressed out.
What? That's crazy.
Speaking about that, my father has told me in the past the stress could cause someone to do something crazy, such as stabbing a teacher like this news.
The worst thing you can have read stress is it might cause someone to commit suicide. Like this news is related to a student that commits suicide after being too stressed.
Yeah, talking about a suicide, recently there was a dealer that shot himself with a gun as a result of being too stressed out, as shown in this one.
Jeez, that's really painful. Is there like a method to control or easily manage stress?
Of course we have. There are a lot of articles about it.
Articles? That's boring.
If article boring, I think I found there are some videos last time for managing the stress.
Yeah, I saw that before, but where is it?
Maybe you can search it up on YouTube.
Yeah, let's watch it.
It is always a good way to control stress by simply share it with your buddies or friends who are trustable.
Hey, can we talk?
Sure, what happened?
My assignment is due in 2 days and I still have a lot to go through. I don't know where to start.
Which part? I think I can help. I have already done it.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm only able to give you suggestion. I cannot fully help you.
That's fine. I just need some suggestions since I don't know where to start.
Sure, show me your problem.
Alright, I'll show you.
If you have a pet at home, try playing with him when you feel so stressed because it's so soothing for real.
You can also try to immerse yourself in your hobbies when you are feeling so stressed. It sometimes might help to reduce the stress.
Double damage employed.
You can also try doing exercises to release the stress too, because it accelerates the gas exchange inside your body and making your body more fresher.
Still feeling stressed? Try have some sweet food such as chocolate, as it helps increase serotonin level inside your body that make you overall happier. Maybe I can try it again.
Still feeling stressed and tired? Why not give yourself a small break? You can spend 30 minutes and you will feel better after you wake up.
So will you practice these habits? Which one will you try first? Which ones work for you? You're not alone in dealing with stress. Let us know in the comments if you have any solutions or problems in dealing with stress. Bye now. Chua. I still don't know where to start.
Which part? I think I can help. I think I've already done it. Ayo.
Okay, restart.
Start, okay.
Okay.
I think that stress also may be caused by the health problems. I have read from a magazine before that some illness such as heart disease are related to the stress. And the higher of the stress is, the patient will have more stress on that.
I rejoin first.
Oh my god.
Okay.
And then this guy is for real, it's a real NG already. Okay, so
Go.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right. And the
Why?
Restart.
Now.
yeah,
I
it's
like it.
right. And this amount of stress could result in various consequences, such as unstable emotion.
I think you need to start again because Young
Yeah.
spoke.
Start it again.
Oh my
Just
god.
start it again.
Go.
Okay, please count.
Oh, I guess I also heard someone say that it is much easier for someone to have a head there.
Ouch. Is it really that bad to have excess stress?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's true.
it's true.
Not only that, if you have it for an extended duration, it is
Yeah,
much easier for you to
it's
have
true.
serious negative. But, so do we start again?
The first part is fine.
Oh my god.
We'll just like add on whatever. We'll just add
Yeah.
on. It's too much to just do one whole thing already. So we
Yeah.
start from
Can you review the video right now?
okay. I'll stop
I
the
mean,
recording.
Leong
Done.
Okay. Alright, done.
Easy.
It's very short.